everybody, I'm that Kamen Rider guy, and it's finally time for Oneness review. So this is the original packaging I got in. I've been holding on to this for nearly a year. Look, this was tape. So this was tape of, hey, you purchased this, you did not steal this. It is so old, it's basically part of the bag. I waited so long to do anything with this because it took me damn near a year to get my hands on one of these. But anyways, now that I do have one, it's finally time to open it up. So yes, this is the movie item from the summer movie Kamen Rider Geats and the Four Aces. And yeah, that's really all it is. It's the special movie item, and I've been holding on to it for quite a while. Yes, it did come with the special Rainbow Tycoon, or not Tycoon, Geats ID core. Why did I say Tycoon? Also, the driver itself doesn't have any sound effects for this. It's all built into it because they didn't think about it ahead of time before the movie came out. And that's pretty much it. I don't know why the lights didn't come on. The driver's on. Oh, I had to do it one at a time. Well, like I said, there's no actual sound for the driver for this buckle. But yeah, still really cool. I'm really happy I have it in my collection. Alright, thank you if you made it to the end of the video, and I don't really have much else to say. This was going to be a shorter video regardless. All I gotta say now is that if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And one big announcement that I'll put right here. I'm going to OsakaCon this year yet again. And it's going to be a great time. I hope to see you there if you're in the area, if you're traveling, whatnot, etc., etc. And yeah, that's all I got. So until next time, remember, that's always Henshin time.